so excited when I see there's a little female gem squash flower, and underneath there you see the little baby gem squash coming out. That's a male flower. You see there's nothing underneath that. And then where did I see? Oh, there's another one. And you just get so excited because you know, I'm going to have gem squash soon. And then you see, oh, here's one. Nice size. Getting there until you look, and look at that. Wow, that is something that makes me screaming mad, I tell you. As far as I know, that is the damage done by a fruit fly. They like obviously fruit, and then they also do like cucurbits, and so your cucumbers, and gem squash, and they will also even butternut. They will even go at your butternut. So let's have a look. See if I can open this up and see what is happening inside here. There we can see better now. So the female fruit fly lays her eggs in here, and yeah, and there you can see, and even here, where did I see one? There, see that? And then the eggs hatch out, and there's a little larva, and then the larva secretes something which then rots the flesh. You can see the rotting happening here. Let's see if I can find, is that one? Let's see right now if I can find one. But anyway, so there's some more damage there. And then they'll come squirming out, the little larva. I've seen it up, there's one. See there, look at that. Disgusting little thing. Look at that. I'm going to feed you to my chickens. Yeah, and then they will drop down to the ground, and then they will mature. I don't know if they make a pupa or whatever they do. I'm sorry, but you're not going anywhere. And only to hatch out as another fly. So there's a couple of things that one can do, and you do them all. You don't just do one thing. What I'm going to do with those fruit that have come out now, when that flower dies off, which will probably be tomorrow, then I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll show you that. So this is one of the methods that I was talking about, is excluding the insect. So I actually found some old net curtaining and cut that up, and was able to just tie that on over the new fruit that is showing. Sadly, I did lose one already. That one over there, they stung it before I could put the net on, all the little net bags. So I'm going to, on this one, you can see, I don't know, that flower has already been pollinated, but there are some little ones in there that will need to be pollinated when their flowers open. So I will just pollinate it by hand. I'll just take a feather and take some pollen off of the male flower and put it in there. But so this is the second method that you'll use. And then you have to pick up all the fruit. So this I'm going to throw in the bin. I'm going to put it in a plastic packet, and then I'm going to throw it in the bin. Otherwise, they will just keep spreading. The life cycle just keeps going on and on. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure all the fruit or anything, the vegetables that fall on the ground get picked up. Now I think where they're coming from is from our guava tree, because that we don't eat guavas, so we let them fall on the ground and then the chickens get them, but I don't think they're getting everything. Let's go have a look there. Well, I don't see any guavas on the ground. I did rake them up the other day. Let's have a look. But most often they would have been on the ground. I think the chickens love them, so they eat it as well. Look at that one. Just having a nice stretch, relaxing. Can't say in the sun, but yeah, so the guavas, there's looks like some stings there already. But it's almost the end of its fruiting now, so yeah, look at that. There's 3 stings. Oh no, there's more, 6. Yeah. So this is where the problem is at the moment, because I haven't got anything else that is fruiting. My peach tree, if you saw my video on the peach tree, that one, there it is. It's in dormant state at the moment. So I'm going to protect it this year. And the plum, well, the plum doesn't often fruit, it's in the wrong place. Yeah. So that I think is where the problem is. So that I can really take action against these fruit fly. I've lost too much to them already, and it's just so disappointing. I mean, you put so much effort into it, and then it gets ruined by these little worms, larvae in there. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've picked up the dead fruit and I've excluded it now, and I'm also going to do the Effecto eco fruit fly bait, and I'll do a little thing on that. Right, I hope this was useful. I hope you can apply this to your own garden. These things do cause a lot of damage, and like I said, it is so disappointing. So yeah, let me know in the comments how it goes with you, and if you've got any other tips.